Hello everyone, I'm Gus and today we're going to talk about a topic that has generated a lot of discussion in recent years. Artificial intelligence and how it can change the way humanity behaves. Artificial intelligence has been gaining more and more space in society and is being used in various fields, from medicine to industry. According to a McKinsey study, the adoption of artificial intelligence could add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. However, artificial intelligence can also have negative impacts on both society and the economy. Part 1: How artificial intelligence can change human behavior. Artificial intelligence can have a significant impact on how humanity behaves. It can be used to improve process efficiency, create new products and services, and aid in medical diagnosis. Additionally, artificial intelligence can be used to personalize the user experience in various sectors, such as e-commerce and entertainment. As an example, we can mention Amazon, which uses artificial intelligence to make product recommendations to its customers based on their purchase preferences and browsing history. Or Netflix, which uses artificial intelligence to suggest movies and series to its users based on what they have already watched. Another application of artificial intelligence is in medicine. It can be used to assist in the diagnosis of diseases, such as cancer. A study conducted at Stanford University in the United States showed that artificial intelligence was able to detect skin cancer with 91% accuracy. This can be a significant advance in the fight against cancer. Part 2: Positive and negative aspects of the advancement of artificial intelligence. On one hand, artificial intelligence can generate many benefits for society, such as creating new job opportunities and improving industrial process efficiency. On the other hand, artificial intelligence can also have negative impacts, such as the substitution of jobs by machines and the spread of fake news on social media. An example of a positive impact is the use of artificial intelligence in agriculture. It can be used to monitor crops, identify pests and diseases, and optimize irrigation. This can lead to more efficient and sustainable production, as well as reducing the need for pesticides. On the other hand, an example of a negative impact is the substitution of jobs by machines. Artificial intelligence can be used to perform tasks that were previously performed by humans. This can lead to job losses, particularly in sectors such as industry and commerce. Another example of a negative impact is the spread of fake news on social media. Artificial intelligence can be used to create bots that spread fake news and misinformation, which can have a negative impact on society and democracy. Part 3: How to minimize the negative impacts of artificial intelligence. To minimize the negative impacts of artificial intelligence, it is necessary to have an ethical and responsible approach to its use. It is important that artificial intelligence developers consider the social and economic impacts of their creations and seek solutions to minimize negative impacts. Additionally, it is essential that people be educated about the impacts of artificial intelligence on society and the economy. This can help reduce fear and resistance to the adoption of artificial intelligence and increase awareness of possible negative impacts. Part 4: Conclusion. In summary, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can generate many benefits for society. However, it is necessary to be aware of possible negative impacts and seek solutions to minimize them. It is essential to balance technological advancement with the preservation of human well-being and the environment. I hope you enjoyed the video and have reflected on this important topic. See you next time.